Good morning everybody, it's Jennifer from Pokey Library. We are here with a brand new series of videos called Milestone Moments. These are geared for your preschooler, trying to get them ready for kindergarten and the very important skills that they need to learn before they're in kindergarten. So we're just going to share a couple, talk through some, share some different books, do some finger plays, and all of that good stuff. Alright, so let's get started. We have a hello song and it goes like this. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? So, how are you today? Let's talk about our feelings. Whoopsies. Are you feeling cool and relaxed? Are you feeling a little bit silly? Are you mad? Are you just feeling happy? I'm happy because I'm here hanging out with you guys today. I think this is going to be a really fun video series. But how are you feeling? Take a moment, think about it, and let us know how you're doing. Okay, so today we are all talking about numbers. So I've got some numbers here. We're going to count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you can see these numbers have a couple dots on them. All the dots are corresponding with the numbers, so that's an important thing to learn. So this book is really great. It's from the CDC, and it talks about your child at every age. So it goes up to age 5, and it talks a little bit about different stages at each age. So it talks about what they should be able to be doing at that age. And in terms of numbers, so 1 is they should be able to count to 10 and 20 pretty much no problem. 2, they should be able to point to a set of numbers, or a set of objects, and say how many they are. So for instance, I have a number of books in here, but this pile would be 2 books, but I could also have, sorry, grabbing some bills. I could also have 2 fish over here, and those are both equal, 2 and 2. So they should be able to kind of count how many numbers there are, see that one thing is just not, like the books aren't only 2, you can have something else that's also 2. So, different things that you can count. Basically, you can count anything. You can count the number of steps you take. You can count the number of cars as you're driving in the car, like the cars that pass you. You could count the number of trees. You could count, basically, the world is your oyster and you can do all the counting, which is great because it's an easy way to kind of gear up their knowledge, get the pre-literacy tips going, and have them hit that milestone. So, we do have some, oh my fish, we do have a finger play about fish. Alright, so, what color is this one? That is red. It's got a little bit of orange on the back too. So it goes like this. 1 little red fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. 1 little red fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Alright, and who's going to join him? Oh, we've got an orange fish. 1 little orange fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. 1 little orange fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. And our last fish, what color is this one? That's right, purple. 1 little purple fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. 1 little purple fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. That's just a fun thing. And you can, kind of count all the fish and count the things, and lots of different ways you could do that. Alright, another song that I just learned is the counting Pokey. So we're going to do up to 5. Alright, so it's pretty similar to the Hokey Pokey. Change the words a little bit. Right. You put one finger up, you put one finger down, you put one finger up and you shake it all around. You give a shaky shaky and you turn it all around. And that's how you learn to count. Woo! You put two fingers up, you put two fingers down, you put two fingers up and you shake them all around. You give a shaky shaky and you turn it all around. And that's how you learn to count. Woo! You put three fingers up, you put three fingers down, you put three fingers up and you shake it all around. You give a shaky shaky and you turn it all around. And that's how you learn to count. Woo! You put four fingers up, you put four fingers down, you put four fingers up and you shake them all around. You give a shaky shaky and you turn it all around. And that's how you learn to count. Woo! Last one. You put five fingers up, you put five fingers down, you put five fingers up and you shake it all around. You give a shaky shaky and it turns itself around. And that's how you learn to count. Woo! Alright, so we have lots and lots of counting books at the library. Here is a new one called Kindness Counts. Kindness counts every day in every way. We've got Richard Scarry's counting book. Richard Scarry is one of my favorites growing up. We've got one big pair of underwear. Nothing says counting like the underwear. We've got one big salad of these. I love because the illustrations are really funny. You're counting the things that go in the salad and they have nice illustrations that go along with the food, which is always fun. You've got teddy bear counting. So this has counting, but it has some more different things just besides the 1 through 10, which is great. We've got, edible numbers. Yum! 10 puppies. We can't ever resist the dogs. We've got 1, 2, 3 peas. This one is really great illustrations too. I like that. We've got counting is for the birds. Perfect for this time of year. We've got one more dino on the floor. Great for your dino lovers. And another book, Dinosaur Countdown. So if you like dinosaurs, those two are great for you. And 10 Little Ninjas. One of my favorites. It's a bedtime story too, so it's kind of fun. And Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. So very similar to Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Alright, and that is our first week. We hope you join us for more milestone moments, and we'll do our goodbye song. It's a little bit different. It goes like this. Hands go up, hands go down. I can turn around and round. I can jump on 2 shoes. I can clap, and so can you. I can wave. I'll show you how. Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you next week. Whoops, we forgot to talk about the craft. So, if you like ice cream, and who doesn't, we have got a large ice cream cone that you can put together with the numbers, and you can make it rainbow or not rainbow, and then you can see if you can fit it all in your mouth at once, which is impossible. We'll see you next week.